How are you?
I'm busy.
I just wanted to come here to tell you thank you for loving me. Kept me believing.
We are never getting back together, okay?
Yeah,
Never.
I know.
So, what is this? You borrow a suit? You come up here and try to impress me? For what?
My battery, it hit. I signed a deal. I'm in business with Prescott.
Good for you.
Good for us. I know our divorce is finalized, but I wanted you to have this for everything you've done for me over the years. I don't know of any woman who would have put up with me, loved me, cared for me, believed in me. I don't blame you. Just sorry that my dream took so long to come true. You gave me 2 minutes. I'm sure it's just about up. I love you, Mel. I always will. Oh, I almost forgot. Your mama's house. It's yours again.
Thank you.
Hey, Melinda.
Where you been?
You're late, babe. What's up, Mel?
Yeah, I know. Did Robert give you this?
Yeah. Along with these keys and the deed to Mama's house.
What?
Yeah, his battery hit. He's in business with Prescott.
Damn, he hit like this?
I knew he would. That dude is smart.
Now, when did you see him?
He came to my job to tell me he was sorry and that he loved me and he wanted to give me that.
That is so sweet. We ain't never had this kind of money.
Wow.